In this video, I want to talk about all the Turkish alphabets, give some examples, and give you some exercises on how to improve your spelling. So, Bismillah, let's start. The Turkish alphabets. I'm going to read the alphabet and then give some examples, and we have the meaning in English over here. So this is A, araba, ayna. B, boş, baba. C, cami, cadde. Ç, çocuk, çok. And as we said, this one is like ch, ch in English. Ç, like in chair. Çocuk, çok. D, defter, dünya. G, güneş, gemi. E, eczane, ekmek. F, fırın, fare. Yumuşak G. Now in Yumuşak G, I have a separate video that will tell you how to pronounce the word when you have Yumuşak G, because we have several ways to pronounce it, but it does not come at the beginning of any word. It comes in the middle or at the end. So Yumuşak G, which means soft G. This is G. This is Yumuşak G, which is soft G. Yağmur, ağaç. And again, I will do a separate video about this letter. H, hafta, hastane. E, this is how we write the capital E, the small e. İki, ilaç. J, jilet, Japon. K, kilo, kapı. L, lakin, lazım. M, mavi, masa. N, nar, nisan. O, oda, on. Ö, öğretmen, önce. R, renk, radyo. S, su, saat. P, para, pahalı. Ş, şişman, şapka. T, tarak, tabak. U, ucuz, umut. Ü, üç, üzüm. V, var, vadi. Y, yol, yardım. Z, zaman, zeki. So these were the Turkish alphabets. Now, to do more practice, listen to these words and read them from left to right. For example, what you do is, you start with this one. Dün, gün, yön, dön. Un, ün, on, en. El, al, ol, öl. Son, sen, sun, sün. As, az, aş, aç. Biz, pis, buz, pus. Now, some of these words do not have any meaning. They are here for the sake of pronunciation and to practice the pronunciation. These are other examples to improve your pronunciation of the letters. Fa, fe, f, fi, fo, f, fu, fü. Da, de, d, di. Do, de, du, dü. Ba, be, b, bi. Bo, b, bu, bü. Ca, ce, c, ci. Co, c, cu, cü. Ça, çe, çı, çi, ço, çö, çu, çü. To improve the way you spell Turkish words, I advise you to repeat these two tables, the first one and the second one. And later, hopefully, I will upload reading lessons on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions about what I explained or other questions related to the Turkish language, please leave them in the comment section and I will be glad to answer you. Assalamu alaikum.